What's up, Edgemont 5th graders? Mr. Kersh here with another exciting week of Math with Mr. Kersh. We are in week 6 of our distance learning. We're getting towards the end of a fantastic school year, although not quite how I was expecting near the end. There is a few things that I want to talk about before we get started with our day, so let's go ahead and talk about them. First of all, I just wanted to thank everybody that participated in the web conference on Friday. It was great to see all of you guys. It made me really realize how much I missed you guys and how I wish we could all be together in the school for real. Some of you guys have expressed a little bit of concern with some of the grades that you guys have noticed on Power School and was worried about, well, how can I bring these up? It's really not going to affect anything. So if you had some missing assignments, if you had some grades in like reading or math or any of those that you were like, oh, how can I get those up before the end of the school year? Don't worry about it. What we are doing is we are kind of taking attendance based on participation and the work that you guys hand in and submit to either myself, Mrs. Larson, or Mrs. Wood. So if you guys have one of those weeks where you're not handing in your work, you might be marked as absent for the week. If you're able to hand in some of it, then you might be marked as tardy. And if you're doing your work and you're on task and it looks like that you're trying your best, then you'll be fine. We take attendance every Friday. So that means that you've got, you know, all the week to start at least showing that you've put forth some kind of effort or you guys have tried, and then you guys should be fine. So the last thing that I want to talk about with you guys is some of you guys are wondering, so what are these last few weeks going to look like? We still have, including this week, we still have 3 weeks of school left. The last week of school is kind of going to be dedicated to just time with your own teacher. We've got a lot of activities that we're planning on doing with you guys, things that we can do you know, through web conferencing or activities that you guys can do online, things like that. We're still trying to work out times that you guys can come in and pick up your stuff that we cleaned out of your desk. It's going to be like school always is, minus some kind of, you know, like all of us being together. But yeah, we're gonna figure things out and hopefully have these last few weeks of school be enjoyable. They'll definitely be memorable. Well, once again, guys, you guys are doing great. Keep up the great work, guys. Remember, if there's anything that I can help you with, please let me know. I'm available. I can always try and help you the best that I can. It's winding down, guys. We're getting to the end of it. I miss you guys a lot. I'm reminded daily how much I miss you and how much I wish you were here. Well, once again, this is Mr. Kersh with Mr. Kersh's class, and I'll see you guys on the inside. Goodbye.